The one tool you must have if you want to find high quality keywords super fast is SEMRUSH. It's more expensive than Keyword Revealer and costs about $70 a month for the Pro plan. You can do keyword research without it, but what you can accomplish using SEMRUSH in about 10 minutes might take you several hours or even days without this tool, and that is not an exaggeration. SEMRUSH is commonly used for PPC research, but it can just as well be used for researching organic results, and it is very, very powerful when used the right way. This tool will help you find scores, even hundreds of great keywords in just a few minutes, something that would take you a lot of time without it. This tool saves you a ton of time for a relatively small monthly fee. If you are really serious about building Amazon affiliate sites, this is one tool you absolutely must have in your toolbox. Now, if you are on a budget, you can sign up for a month and use it in the time to do all the research you want, and then cancel your subscription. This tool is so powerful that within a day's time, you can research several niches and find hundreds of very high quality keywords. You can cancel your subscription until you get all the pages built and then sign up again after a few months when you need to do keyword research again. What you can do with SEMRUSH, you cannot do with any other tool on the market now. In this course, we will be using both SEMRUSH and Keyword Revealer. Together, they are an awesome pair. They will help you find the best keywords to target in just about any niche you can think of, and together, they are so powerful that you can complete your keyword research and build your site's blueprint in just 2 to 3 days, something that would be impossible to do in such a short time without these tools. We will be seeing how to use these two tools together in the next few videos. Now, this is something that is rarely discussed, and very few people seem to be doing this at the moment. There's a way you can find absolutely great niches using SEMRUSH, and this is perhaps the fastest way to generate niche ideas. The principle behind this is pretty simple. Find what phrases Amazon and other e-commerce sites are ranking for. Then, filter the list for the kind of phrases we are looking for. Phrases that start with best or end in review. In the past, when SEMRUSH wasn't around, doing this would have required an enormous amount of effort. More so if you wanted to sift through hundreds of results. SEMRUSH makes this so very easy. Enter Amazon.com in the text box here and select Organic Research from the drop-down menu. As you can see, Amazon is ranking for a whopping 46 million phrases. That's fine, but you are not interested in just any kind of phrase. You want to see phrases that start with best or end in review. This is where filters come in. The filters are what make SEMRUSH so extremely useful. Click on the filters button and you can see what kind of filters you can apply. We need to include keywords that begin with best. What you now see is a list of thousands of keywords, and there are some really good niche ideas here. Maybe not every one of these will make a great niche. Some of these phrases can be very hard to rank for because they have thousands or even tens of thousands of searches a month, and so you will have a lot of competition. Do not focus on the phrases if you are looking for niche ideas. If you are just looking for niche ideas, there are lots of them here. If you are looking for really easy to rank phrases, we need to apply 2 more filters. Click this button to add a filter. Now, include keywords with volume less than 501 and include another filter with volume greater than 80. Click Apply. Together, these three filters will display a list of keywords that begin with best and have between 80 to 500 searches a month. Now, take a look at the list that is displayed now. This column is keyword difficulty. There's a difference between how Keyword Revealer calculates keyword difficulty and how SEMRUSH does it. Keyword Revealer and SEMRUSH use different methods to compute keyword difficulty, and the number reported by Keyword Revealer seems a lot more accurate. But that doesn't mean we can't use the number SEMRUSH reports. We can sort this list on keyword difficulty so that the easiest keywords to rank for are at the top of the list. Let's do that now. Click on the upward arrow in the keyword difficulty column. Doing that will sort the list in ascending order of keyword difficulty. What you now see is a list of more than 200,000 keywords. Almost all of them is a niche area, but not all are suitable because some may not have products you can sell. You will have to go through the items in the list and select the ones that interest you.